The Excel window is what you're looking at on the screen. The main parts that make up the Excel window are the Excel window header, the ribbon, the name box, the formula bar, that is the text box to the right of the letters FX, the workbook, and the scroll bars. The ribbon is composed of the ribbon tabs and the ribbon commands. It is important that you keep a copy of these names because they are used throughout the how-tos videos. Hi there! Do you know that Microsoft Excel has become the most valuable tool in every workplace and a core requirement for every job seeker? Do you know that the majority of Excel users don't really know how to use Excel? That's a reality and a big opportunity for you to stand out and get those promotions. At Excel at Work, we are proud to offer the best online Excel training method in the market. We have thought of everything to make your learning experience the fastest and most enjoyable possible, because we know that your time is precious and you need to get results fast. The knowledge acquired will surely lead to a remarkable change in the way your firm starts to see you as an indispensable asset for your organization. This will help you obtain those promotions you've so desired. It doesn't matter if you don't know anything about Excel. Our courses will transform you from a beginner to an Excel guru in no time. To get a feel of our training courses, sign up for our free Excel tutorial and unlock the 3 key concepts of Excel, which are always briefly or inefficiently explained anywhere else. These 3 key concepts are actually the foundation of Excel, and by learning them, your journey with Excel will be a breeze. After signing up, you will be able to watch these videos anywhere, anytime, and from any device. Microsoft Excel has become the most valuable tool in every workplace and a core requirement for every job seeker. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.